our weddings, show me the money. I pray you today. So we're going to this cube place here in Canary Wharf, London, UK. So I found my bride.
No, I came to find you, baby.
I don't understand.
I know.
Actually, I tell a lie. Last year I came here a couple times.
My mess up.
Very serious.
My mess up, yes. Because we're coming as a tourist in games of 4. So, my jack up.
I got you, bro. I got this, man. First game done. Thanks to Akoyami. We lost. We lost. I got 500 points for us. On the only game I've played.
Don't worry.
I can't believe I messed up that last game.
Only share let's see any fault here. Thank you. Nice.
Go on, here.
Are you playing? What type of plane is this?
Pay for your husband.
Not be juju be that.
Treat your husband.
Chai!
No one be like you. Only meat for my stew. Chai. Beautiful baby. Aww. Original chicala. You're an angel made in heaven. No be made in China. So stay with me. Our love will be infinity. Beautiful queen, Miss Royalty.
Oh, thank you.
I'll be your prince charming forever, my love. Hey. Oh, my love.
All the money that I did not spray you on our weddings, show me the money. I pray you today.
African baby. My banana smoothie. Everything about you sweet me. If I am number 1 darling. You all of my love.
I'm going to spray you in every currency. Every currency.
Today, we're great. Is that Naira? Hey, show me the money. Show me the money. I'm ready to love you forever. Come on. Hey, up and love. Hey, me. What you money, my shopping. Pretty fair. Take me. Alright, me all over. So many stars in the sky.
You're the brightest.
Beautiful bride with a smile so priceless. I'm not righteous, I fight this. For me without you,
I can't imagine that.
Stopless. I can't hide this. My loving undercover. And you my mother, you my sister, you my lover. Girl, you make me better. Living together forever. In Jesus' name.
Thank you for 11 years. I appreciate you. I love you, baby. You are literally the sunshine of my life. Thank you for making me the man that I am. I love you so much. I love you so much.
African baby.
Thank you, baby. Let's go. Hey.
Baby, my love. Korean was shama to my color. Baby, my love. The fair shama to Capefra. Hey, Capano. Hey, Cario. Hey, Capano.
happy 11th anniversary, baby. 11 years feels like just yesterday, and yeah, I just want to appreciate you. Again, I got you a little something, but you can open all of that off camera.
Open it offline.
Okay, but yeah, I just really want to appreciate you today. 11 years, thank you for sticking with me for 11 years. Thank you for being literally my pillar, being the sunshine of my life. I love you. Thank you for my beautiful kids. Okay, Michaela, Maya, and Mariah. Thank you for bringing me, for giving me these lovely children.
Thank you, girls.
Okay, and you know, helping me to raise them, to raise godly children. Okay,
Come,
that's
come,
okay.
give me cuddles.
No, it's 11 years now.
Cuddles, come, Mickey, come.
Come on, Mickey.
Come, guys. Oh,
That's okay,
thank
come.
you. Thank you. Are you gonna help me pick my money? Oh no.
Come on, Mickey now.
Come on, Mickey.
Come and celebrate mommy and daddy's anniversary.
Thank you, thank you, guys.
God bless you. God bless you, mama.
I love you, baby.
Love you, baby.
This
Thank
is
you.
too much money.
So, this is a lot of money we're gonna spend.
Hey!
Oh,
Oh, the pounds are yours.
The pounds. No, the naira is yours.
Mommy and Daddy.
The naira is yours.
Naira! Get it! Hey.
Then Maya will take the dollars.
I can buy a house in Nigeria. 500! Yeah! 1,000!
So yeah, I did a little something. I was recording it as well.
No wonder you guys kept me outside. I even went to record myself.
Is
Like,
it?
why did you guys keep me outside for so long? No wonder you didn't worry when we went to piano for a long time. I love you.
I love you, baby. God bless you for me. Pray that we spend many, many, many more years. Yes, I don't know what we have planned, but Femi has something planned for
We should do a day.
the rest of the day.
A day in the
Okay. So we're gonna do something fun today. That's what she says. So I'm just looking forward to enjoying my 11 years, and yeah, looking forward to some adventure.
Are you gonna accept the adventure no matter what?
As long as it's not scary.
Okay, we'll see.
As long as it's not scary. We'll do.
Parachute rides!
So we're going to this Cube place here in Canary Wharf, London, UK, and then afterwards, Remy has booked dinner. So I found my bride.
No, I came to find you, baby.
I don't understand.
I know, but yes, you found your bride, but I had to come out of the place because I was like, this guy will get lost.
Baby.
Even though this is your zones.
No, this has not been my zones for a while now. But I'm looking forward to coming back to the wharf.
I know.
So I used to work in Canary Wharf about 5 years ago. I worked here for like 2 years. Actually, I tell a lie. Last year I came here a couple times whilst I was with this other bank.
Offices was here.
Yeah. So we're in the wharf. Alright. The Wall Street of London. Okay. So where is this place that we're going now?
It's called the Cube.
The Cube.
Did you
Apparently it's like games. I hope it's not Squid Games.
No, baby, didn't you watch the Cube when you were younger? The Cube game.
It was a game, isn't it?
Yeah, it was a game show.
I was in Nigeria, bro.
And the thing is, wait.
Nigeria, we watch NTA, our news.
AIT.
Organization.
No,
For this country. How do you know that?
Baby, I told you. My passport is red, my phone is green. Right. So, baby, we're gonna be playing against another couple. Don't. My mess up.
The issues.
My mess up, yes. Because we're coming as a two, it's in games of 4. So, my jack up.
I got you, bro.
Dash me. Dash
I
me.
got this, man.
Yes.
You know me, I'm highly competitive.
Baby, so you see here. Strategy.
The more lives you lose, the less points you will win.
So first game done. Thanks to Okoyemi. We lost. We lost. But we're gonna have another go now.
You're gonna do another one.
Let's see how this goes. This one looks more difficult,
It does look
but I think I'll smash it. Femi once again has see, Femi once again has messed us up. I got 500 points for us on the only game I've played. But it's not about that now, it's about we also smashing it now.
Yeah, but
come on. It's anniversary. This game was worth 1k. We got 0 points.
Sorry.
Come on. I dey vex, I dey provoke.
How was that?
It's really hard. I was thinking I was just going to do my basketball skills and just throw it in.
The ball is light, isn't it?
Very light.
Yeah.
I can't believe I messed up that last game.
I mean, we're all human.
I lost one for the team.
You lost one for. I'm going to show me TMI and remember these videos.
Yeah, I should have done better. But yeah, this place is really cool, guys. Let's do cheers quickly.
This time, the fruit flashes red. Ten. 5. 2 lines remaining. 10. 5. completed.
Well done.
Finally, some food after losing. Thanks to Ope.
Tell anybody that.
It was good though, it was good fun.
It was fun.
It was good fun. So, yeah.
Thank you. Nice. Go on, do this.
Are you playing? What type of plane is this?
Pay for your husband.
Not be juju be that.
Treat your husband.
She's already.